Guys, welcome back to my channel, The Spice Connection. So my today's video is about how to clean your gas stove. After I had uploaded two videos on the gas ranges that I had used, I had received several comments and DMs asking me about how I clean the gas ranges. So today I'm going to tell you the market products that I use to clean the gas ranges. So without much waiting, let's get started with the video. To begin with, we need a dish soap, a stainless steel cleaner. You can also use this for black stainless steel like I do. And I use the Mr. Clean Clean Freak Deep Cleaning Mist. This spray is very good. Then you need a cloth or a bounty or tissue paper and a scraper. This is how my cooktop looks now. It is not very dirty or greasy because I clean my cooktop every day and I do deep cleaning once every week. I'm going to first remove the grates and then I will remove the burners as well. You can choose not to remove the burners and clean it like that. I remove the burners because Indian cooking is very greasy and oil splutters once the spices are added into it. So there are usually grease and oil that gets stuck beneath the burners. So I want to do deep cleaning today and I'm going to show you how I remove the burners and clean. First, take a tissue and remove all the dry food residues that are on the cooktop. Now spray the cleaning mist all over the cooktop and a little more wherever you see a little thick grease. If your cooktop is very greasy, you can leave this spray overnight and scrape a little bit with the scraper the next morning and wipe it up. I have taken this damp scraper and I'm going to use the green side of it very lightly so that there are no scratches wherever I see a little tough grease. Take the soft side of the cloth. I prefer using cloth. You can take a kitchen roll and then wipe out all the soap that's there on the cooktop. You can see how clean it looks. For the knobs and the display, I use the stainless steel cleaner. You can also use a glass cleaner for the display, but for me this one works perfectly fine on the display as well, so I use it. You can also use an all-purpose cleaner. For the display, I first spray the cleaner on the cloth and then wipe it and not spray it directly on the display. You can also spray this cleaner on the cooktop to give it a little shine and then wipe it off with the softer side of the cloth. You can see how clean and shiny it looks now. I'm going to clean the grates and the burners with the dish liquid and hot water. You can put the grates in the dishwasher as well. I personally do not recommend putting the burners in the dishwasher because the greases do not really go away. Let the burners and the grates dry completely and then you can put them back on the gas stove. If you have liked this video, don't forget to like and share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such interesting videos and recipes. Also, don't forget to write to me in the comments below after you have tried this, how you liked it. And until then, stay healthy, stay safe. See you guys on my next video again. Bye-bye.